Now, next on Outside Source, let's look at an absolutely fascinating story coming out of Finland. It's to do with genes, 2 genes to be precise, that we can associate with violent crime, or that's what some new research is saying. This all comes down to these people who have these genes being more likely to commit crimes, and we understand that they are present in about 4 to 10% of offenders. Let's go and speak to Melissa Hogan-Boom from the BBC Science Unit. We were talking an hour ago on Outside Source. I saw one person just asking us online, why has this been done in Finland? Why has the research been playing out there?
Well, they had unique access to a lot of contributors in Finland. When I say contributors, it's prisoners, and it must be very difficult for scientists to get access to the prison. And so getting 900 people to agree to take part in a study, and of these 900, half of them were murderers, so getting them to take part was no small feat, and it's been undergoing for a long period of time, I understand.
I'm guessing murderers aren't always the most cooperative of people. How did they manage that?
Well, they did give them a financial incentive, which was €20, but I think the criminals were clearly happy to take part when the scientists explained what it was about, but I haven't managed to speak to these criminals directly, as you can imagine.
And I noticed just as I was preparing for this edition of the programme, a couple of people were questioning the science behind these claims. Is that an open discussion at the moment?
Yeah, it's very difficult when you look at these genetic studies and suggest that they contribute to behaviour, because we have over 20,000 genes, and no one gene can actually impact on any given topic or behaviour. So to say that 2 genes are actually likely to make you more likely to be a criminal is very dangerous. It's likely to be lots of genes involved, and it's also our environment. So it's this interplay of nature and nurture, which scientists always talk about, that's really important to mention. So even if you have this profile, you're no less likely to do a crime than any of us, really.
Melissa, thank you very much indeed. I know you'll be on Twitter as well if people want to talk about this story with you. Do stay with us here on Outside Source.